Here's a quick look at the SimpliSafe Video Doorbell, which has been an excellent addition to our system. This device has a 1080p HD video and an ultra-wide 162-degree view. I also really like the SimpliSafe app where I can get alerts. The smart person detection feature is really good, and it has two-way audio so I can speak directly to anyone who is at the door. Since I live in a cold weather area, it was important to me that this doorbell is made to withstand all weather conditions. It integrated seamlessly with the system, and I've been really pleased with it.